you and Peter, and I stay for office yesterday. Oga say as Peter go withdraw money from bank, say person can't do withdraw from side. As Peter, go shey na only you can do.
Yeah, how much?
20,000. Say the thing no drop, say na give the person.
No, we do any withdrawal of 20,000 yesterday. I said no, Peter.
Because he come yesterday, say na only 90 for sure.
No.
You won't come?
We're going to meet Oga there.
Because in the same way try come early.
We do any withdrawal of 20,000.
You sure? Even Peter, he say he call Peter no gree pick. Say your own, try your line no go. That's why he come.
Ah, no. We not do any 20,000 naira. If we pay the person, how much you going to give us?
How much be that extra in a do?
That na 1,000 naira. Money we will do highest as in withdrawal na 5,000 naira.
You quoting me to this date.
Today na first
Just to wait.
April.